Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today I'm going to teach you about the short U sound in our Learning to Read program. The short U sound is We already know the letter U can make the sound in closed syllables. Let's review some words where U makes the sound. As I read the word, point to the letter making the sound. Umbrella, upset, uncle, cup, bunny, duck. OU can also make the sound in words. As I read the words, point to the letters making the sound. Rough, touch. O can also make the sound. As I read the words, point to the letter making the sound. Monkey, oven. OVE can also make the of sound in a word. As I read the words, point to the letters making the of sound. Dove, gloves. Great. Now I'm going to show you some letters and I want you to say the sounds they can make. I'll give you about 2 seconds to say the sounds and then I will say the sounds so you can check your work. U or oo or or Ooh or O or O or ah or ooh or ove or of, wa, qua, ing, ink, ooh, age or idge, I've or iv, y or I or e or I or I. Great. Now I'm going to show you some words. You'll have about 5 seconds to read each word. Then I will read the word so you can check your work. Mother, young, rough, shove, country. Great job! You can practice with this video as many times as you need to master this sound. For more reading resources, go to www.teachingforthelove.com.